Hello, and welcome to the Hoover Dam in where? Outskirts of Nevada and Arizona, right? I also got a comment in the last video, said a shout out to people, Hunter and Sinax, in the last Indian video. Oh, shout out to whoever those people are. But today we're at the Hoover Dam, and we're gonna check out and see the sightseeing. That would be very deadly if you fell down.
Oh my God! Wow!
Jumping out the whip, shit cold. Watching my step ground froze. Most of my days spent alone. Tim and my bro, he knows. Ay, gotta pay dues. Walking in mud, you can check my shoes. Tryna bite this, might chip your tooth. Tryna come with you, fake no room. When it made that deal, this should go and pay bills. Time be on my ass, but I pull a stunt like Copperfield. Wanna see Holly's Hills. That bitch got heat for real. Sad looking past the windowsill. I've been thinking about the same shit still. Gonna hit the I-5, it won't be no shock. I've been planning for a while now, no sign tell me stop. One day we gon' climb your top 5, grow it every drop. On that you just wanna get high, next day you forgot. Thought I told you that this my niche. Play my role, what you hold, little boy best don't reach. Yo shit.
I don't know much history about the river dam, Hoover Dam.
We know that.
It said Roosevelt and Hoover. There you go.
Dirt, you get curved, I just saw and reap. With that ease, hella clean, rips all on your knees. That's that work when you hurt, my head full of steam. I got lucid dreams, I make movie scenes. This not new.
Alright guys, we just got done with the Hoover Dam tour. I don't think there's much footage, and the video is like 2-3 minutes long. We at least got to see a little bit of it. Yeah. It's part of Nevada and Arizona, so we went to 2 states in one day, pretty much in less than 10 minutes. So it was pretty interesting. We did some stuff, we saw some things. Too bad we can't like go down and swim in the river dam unless you jumped off the river dam. A 3-minute video. Probably next week's video is gonna be rolling smoke barbecue or something like that. So yeah, I do hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, let me know down in the comments below. I think I clickbaited the video by saying I jumped off the Hoover Dam. So if you clicked on it, I was just kidding, of course, and I wanted more views. Alright, I'll catch you guys in the next one.